The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to perform a Cochran's Q analysis in SPSS. And the example that I'm going to demonstrate Cochran's Q with in this case is the signaler at age 1 and signaler at age 3 data, which is the same data used for the McNemar chi-square video. The reason I'm doing this is to demonstrate that you can actually get the McNemar chi-square value from the Cochran Q utility in SPSS. But as I mentioned in the textbook, you can't actually get it in the McNemar chi-square analysis. And what you do get in SPSS is more conservative than it has to be. So to conduct the Cochran's Q analysis in SPSS, click on Analyze, Non-Parametric Tests, Legacy Dialogues, and K-related means. So instead of 2, click K, and put signaler in age 3 into the test variables box, deselect Friedman's, and select Cochran's Q, and click OK. And you get some really basic output here with the frequencies across the various columns and rows. And importantly, here's the Cochran's Q value, a value of 3.600, which is exactly the chi-square value that was obtained when I used the McNemar chi-square formula in the textbook. And we can see that the p-value is much closer to 0.05 than it was based on the McNemar utility in SPSS, which did the binomial test, or it'll end up doing a Yates-corrected version if the sample size is above 30. In this case here, we get the straight, ordinary, and preferred Cochran's Q value, which is the McNemar chi-square value of 3.600. So I recommend in the textbook and in practice that if you're using SPSS and you have 2 levels in your within subjects factor, you should use Cochran's Q because it's the generalization of the McNemar chi-square test to all levels from 2 to 3 to 4 to 5, etc.